Highway Code, Pedestrians, Rule 19. Zebra crossings. Give traffic plenty of time to see you and to stop before you start to cross. Vehicles will need more time when the road is slippery, such as raining, snow or ice. Wait until traffic has stopped from both directions or the road is clear before crossing. Remember that traffic does not have to stop until someone has moved onto the crossing, and even then they may be otherwise occupied and not see you. Keep looking both ways and listen in case a driver or rider has not seen you and attempts to overtake a vehicle that has stopped. So we have a nice picture here of a standard zebra crossing. Notice the red tactile paving either side for pedestrians whose eyesight is not very good, and cross as shown between the studs or on the zebra crossing itself, not in the zigzag area.